More music, more variety. KRTH 101.
That's the phrase that pays, and it's worth $1,000 in cash to you. We've already given away over $75,000. $75,000 in our phrase that pays contest. And there's lots more to come thanks to our friends at Open from American Express Small Business. Just listen for Hollywood Hamilton to announce KRTH 101's Song of the Day every weekday morning at 7:20. If you're the correct caller to 1-800-232-KRTH when we play it later that same day, you'll have $1,000 in cash to spend any way you want.
KRTH 101.
The best things in life are free, but you can give them to the birds and bees. I need what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. Your love give me such a thrill, but your love don't pay my bills. I need that's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I Money don't get everything, it's true. But what it don't get, I can't use. I need money. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. Money, lots of money, whole lot of money. Give me money, lots of money, all those leaves green, yeah, that's right, baby, that's what I mean.
Shotgun Tom Kelly.
You better believe it.
KRTH 101.
My guy, Mary Wells, singing to the girls. Will there be two lovers or this one? You got it. 60s at 6.
Nothing you could say can tear me away from my guy. Nothing you could do, 'cause I'm stuck right through to my guy. I can keep my guy like a stamp to a letter, like birds of a feather. We stick together, I'm telling you from the start. I can't be torn apart from my guy. Nothing you could do could make me from my God. Tell me more, there's not a man today who could take me away from my God.
The greatest hits on Earth. LA and Orange County's greatest hits.
K-Earth 101.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To on the lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I
KRTH 101, where Hollywood Hamilton is going to be giving away free tickets to see Dame Edna live at the Amundsen Theater. Call in and be listening at KRTH 101.
End of the spring, and here she comes back. Hi, 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 hi there. Them summer days, those summer days. That's when I have most of my fun. summer day. Oh, summer day. What I want to out is good. Honey fair in the country sun, and everything is cool. Take the last train to Clarksville and I'll meet you at the station. You can be here by 4:30, cause I've made your reservation. Don't be slow. No, no, no. No, no, no. Cause I'm leaving in the morning and I must see you again. We'll have one more night together till the morning brings my train and I must go. No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville. I'll be waiting at the station. We'll have time for coffee, belated kisses, and a bit of conversation. No, no, no. No, no, no. Take the last train to Clarksville. Now I must hang up the phone. I can't hear you in this noisy railroad station. All alone I'm feeling low. No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville and I'll meet you at the station. You can be here by 4:30, cause I made your reservation. Don't be slow. No, no, no. No, no, no. And I don't know if I'm ever coming home. Take the last train to Clarksville. Take the last train to Clarksville. Take the last train to
KRTH 101, the soundtrack is Southern California playing the greatest hits on earth, like that one from the Monkees, Last Train to Clarksville. Shotgun Tom Petty with Billy Joel tickets coming up next. It's 641 at KRTH 101.
Thanks for letting me tag along.
My pleasure, Miss Eden.
Now, what's your job at Albertsons?
I'm a produce professional.
Ah, what is that?
I travel to fields and farms to find produce at the peak of season, so we sell only the freshest fruits and vegetables.
Okay, how would you describe the perfect tomatoes, apples, and grapes in technical terms?
Sweet and juicy?
Well, I mean, what's the lingo to describe these peaches?
We call them plums.
Oh, this is harder than it looks.
Experience the pick of the pros, only at Albertsons, helping make your life easier.
Shop Albertsons this week and find great savings on items like Albertsons whole chickens, just 67 cents a pound on bonus buy. Use your preferred card and save on fresh cantaloupe, 39 cents a pound. And Albertsons 18-count large eggs, grade AA, 2 for $3, limit 2. Plus save on select varieties of Albertsons yogurt, 8-ounce size, 10 for $4 with preferred card. Price is good through March 30th. Albertsons, helping make your life easier.
This is for Stan. Hey, Stan, you still wake up in the middle of the night with a song in your head and can't get back to sleep till you figure out the words? Weird, huh? You should sign up with AT&T Yahoo high-speed internet. Get our best price ever, just $12.99 a month when you order online. You can look up the lyrics and download the song in the time it takes to microwave a glass of warm milk. Okay, everybody, that's Stan's world. For all of you that aren't Stan, if we can deliver his music, we can deliver yours too. AT&T Yahoo high-speed internet for just $12.99 a month for 12 months when new customers order online. It's easy to switch from dial-up or cable. Go online for our best price of $12.99 at att.com/$12.99. Stan, wake up! SBC. Now joined with AT&T. The new AT&T. Your world. Delivered.
Taxes, other charges, and Federal Universal Service Cost Recovery Fee Extra. High-speed internet bill credit applied after 3 months paid service and excludes FUSF cost recovery and other fees. For details of additional charges, restrictions, and requirements, call 1-866-416-6471 toll-free or visit att.com/offer details. Not available in all areas.
Following is an OnStar conversation.
OnStar Emergency, this is Denise.
Yes, someone just hit me.
Are you injured?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get emergency services coming up to your location.
If your airbags deploy, OnStar receives a signal and calls to check on you.
Sheriff's Office.
Hi, this is Denise from the emergency team of OnStar. I have a vehicle crash with airbag deployment. It's on County Highway 74. I'm going to conference you in.
Okay, are you injured?
I think I'm bleeding from the side of my face.
Did you hit another vehicle?
Another vehicle hit me.
Okay, I'll get somebody out.
No one offers more vehicles with the safety of OnStar than Chevy.
There's 2 state troopers pulling up now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Choose a vehicle that could help save your life. Choose a Chevy with OnStar. Chevy, America's #1 brand, America's #1 value, offers 16 OnStar-equipped cars and trucks. Ford, Dodge, and Toyota don't have any. To learn more, visit OnStar.com.
Do you have a hard time falling asleep, experience difficulty staying asleep, or wake up too early? Does your insomnia affect your daytime functioning? If so, you may be eligible to participate in a clinical research study being conducted to evaluate an investigational medication for insomnia. Dr. Michael D'Amico of Advanced Clinical Research Institute at 714-778-1300 is looking for participants who are experiencing the signs and symptoms of insomnia. Qualified participants who are at least 18 years of age will receive study, drug, and study-related physician visits at no cost. You could receive compensation up to $300 for time and travel. If you would like more information about the study on insomnia or think that you may be eligible, please call 714-778-1300. Again, that number is 714-778-1300. 714-778-1300.
The time to win a pair of tickets to go see Billy Joel in concert at the Staples Center April 5th, his only Southern California appearance. Tickets available now at all Ticketmaster outlets, but right now, yea, Beverly, I say unto you, be a winner at 1-800-232-KRTH. Number 21 with a shotgun win.
Now, another 12 in a row.
Here's 101, baby.
Featuring even more of the greatest hits on Earth that you asked for.
The best station on earth.
This is LA and Orange counties.
KRTH 101.
Someone who needs me, someone I've needed so long. For once unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once I can touch what my heart used to dream of long before I knew. Oh, someone warm like you would make my dream come true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it's hurt me before. For once I have something I know won't desert me. I'm not alone anymore. For once I can say, this is mine, you can't take it. Long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. Hey, yeah. Oh, baby.
love anymore. Oh, but I can say this is mine. You can't take it. Long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. For once in my life, there's somebody that needs me.
KRTH 101 Shotgun congratulating David Tapia. Placencia got the Billy Joel tickets. Got more to give away. Keep it here.
Well, no one told me about her, the way she lied. Well, no one told me about her, how many people cried. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. Well, no one told me about her. What could I do? Well, no one told me about her, though they all knew. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there.
1-800-232-KRTH. Remembering that number and Hollywood Hamilton's Song of the Day could make you $1,000 richer with our phrase that pays.
KRTH 101.
Many guys have come to you with a line that wasn't true, and you passed them by. Passed them by. Though you're in the center ring, and their lines don't mean a thing, why don't you let me try? Let me try. Now I don't wear a diamond ring. I don't even know a song to sing. All I know is la 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 me. I love you. Oh, baby, please now. La 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 me. I love you. If I ever saw a girl that I needed in this world, you are the one for me. One for me. Let me hold you in my arms, girl, and thrill you with my charms. I'm sure you will see. You will see. The things I say are true, and the way I explain them to you. Listen to me, la 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 la. I love you, oh baby, la 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 la
request.
You know, a lot of the 60s songs you hear us talking about on the 60s at 6 can be obtained from our content partner, AOL. Checking out the 60s at 6 telephone. Hello.
Hi, Shotgun. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Who's this?
Pamela.
And where are you calling from?
Oh, I'm calling from my audible bubble. Oh, yeah.
And where are you in your audible bubble at this time?
In the rain.
Blippity blip. Okay, well, listen, what can we play for you?
J.J. Jackson.
But it's all right. Coming right up on the Phrase That Pays station.
KRTH 101.
KRTH 101.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you. You're not the truth. No one could look as good as
I guess I'll go on home, it's late. There'll be tomorrow night, but wait, what do I see? Is she walking back to me? Yeah, she's walking back to me. Oh, pretty woman.
And now, from the entertainment capital of the world, the 70s at 7 with Shotgun Tom Kelly.
KRTH, Los Angeles.
It's 7 o'clock on KRTH 101, where we've given away over $90,000 in cash. Whoa! The phrase that pays. And we're going to explore the 70s. Plus, we got another $1,000 to be given away this hour.
Yes, I did. Do disco down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that funky music, right, boy? Play that funky music, right, yo? Play that funky music, right, boy? Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die." Till you die? Yeah. Oh, till you die. Gonna play some electric funky Hey, wait a minute. Now, first it wasn't easy. Changing rock and roll and minds. Things were getting shaky. I thought I'd have to leave it behind. Oh, but now it's so much better. It's so much better. I'm funking out in every way. But I'll never lose that feeling. You know I won't. Of how I learned my lesson that day. When they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and started, "Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music, right. Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die." Till you die? Yeah. Oh, till you die. Yeah. They started, "Play that funky music. Play that funky music. Play that funky music. You got to keep on playing funky music. Play that funky music. Play that funky music. Play that funky music."
Non-stop oldies, KRTH 101.
You know, the Bee Gees had a few hits in the 60s, the late 60s, but they really took off in the 70s. You got them right now, the 70s at 7 with Shotgun Tom, and they go do some jive talking, and everybody loves this one. Ain't no doubt about it. It's got a good beat, and it's got a good sound. KRTH 101.
You never know just what you mean to me. Oh, my child, you got so much.
101, Shotgun Tom in the 70s to 7. And in the 70s, a lot of great comedy television shows. One of your favorites featured John Ritter, the late, great John Ritter, along with Suzanne Summer and the late, great Don Knotts. That show was one of your favorites, and you used to watch it even when it was syndicated. Here it is, Three's Company.
Come and knock on our door. We've been waiting for you. Where the kisses are hers and here's Three's Company too. Come and dance on our floor. Take a step that is new. We've a love of those space that needs your face. Three's Company too. You'll see that love is upon again. Laughter is coming for you. Down at our rendezvous. Three's Company too. Down at our rendezvous. Three's Company too.
Well, while we were watching Three's Company, listening on the radio, we heard Ike and Tina Turner, Proud Mary.
You know, every now and then I think you might like to hear something from us. Nice and easy. But there's just one thing, you see, we never ever do nothing nice and easy. We always do it nice and rough. And we're gonna take the beginning of this song and do it easy. But then we're gonna do the finish rough. It's the way we do Proud Mary. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Listen to the story now. Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and I was worried about the way that things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning. Ooh, the Proud Mary keep on burning. We're rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, and I pumped a lot of tang down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city until I hitched the ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheel keep on turning. Ooh, the Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling,
I've got. Ain't no woman like the one I've got. Every day the sun comes up around her. She can make the birds sing harmony. Every drop of rain is glad it found her. Heaven must have made her just for me. When she smiles so warm and tender, a sight for sore eyes to see. Ooh, ain't no woman like the one I've got. Oh no, it don't come better. To make her happy doesn't take a lot. You don't ask for things, no